Hey everyone, Coach Investor back to another video for today. So let's talk about Amazon. Now, my last video was one reason not to buy Amazon. If you haven't watched that, it's going to be in the top right corner. And that reason is still valid today. Now, obviously Amazon already had its stock split. If you want to watch the Google video I made about the stock split, should happen on July 15th. That video is going to be in the top right corner as well. Now, with Amazon, I want to focus on this video is Amazon Prime. So there is Amazon Prime Day on July 12th and 13th. I believe that's the day after this video goes live and 2 days after. So as always, it's one of their biggest days of the year, besides maybe the Black Friday deals. But Amazon Prime Day, 2 days in a row. Some amazing deal already started back in late June, including 55% off select Amazon devices. So the Echo, the Amazon Fire tablets or whatever. 50% off a Fire TV, for example, which is pretty crazy and an awesome deal. And then it's written here which country is participating in the Amazon Prime Day. Again, it's not every single country around the world, but pretty much huge countries in Europe. Then there is obviously the United States, the UK, Canada, Brazil, and many other countries. Then it says here more specifically that later this summer, Prime Day Deals event will be held in India, Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates, as well as Egypt for the first time. Now, there were also some reports that came out that said that Amazon will have not just one Prime Day, but might even have 2 Prime Days, but the second one will be maybe later this year, which could be positive, but also negative. Why would they do a second one? Well, maybe inventories are extremely high, so they want to get rid of that inventory. Could be. Now remember, the retail side of the business is really not why you should be buying Amazon right now. It's a side that is losing money, that has very low margins compared to the advertising side, compared to the subscription side, and especially compared to AWS. Now, before I touch on all the other points, if you want to support this channel, maybe help me spend some money on Amazon Prime Day, do check out the link down in the description and in the pinned comment to get the top 10 best stocks to buy now, or go to fool.com/couchinvestor. Also do check out the other links down in the pinned comment, especially the link with Honey, because Honey might save you some money, especially if you are shopping on Amazon Prime Day. You might get some alerts of price reductions. So do check out that link. It's free to add, so why not? So we're back here on their last earnings report. So as you can see, online stores is down 3% year over year, physical stores up 17%, but again, we don't really care about that part of the business that much. We care a bit more about this one right here. So subscription services up 11% to $8.4 billion. Advertising services, which we have talked about in the last couple of videos, I still think this segment is very underappreciated by investors. That grew 23% to $7.8 billion. And then AWS up 37% to 18.44. But for the sake of this video, let's focus on subscription services, which is Prime. Now with Prime, you get a lot of value, obviously depending on where you live. Prime is not just the fast delivery option anymore. Prime gives you Prime Gaming, Prime Video. Now, an announcement that they have a deal with Grubhub, which we're going to talk about in just a bit and how much value that can add to the business. But Prime really becomes a subscription to have, maybe a more luxurious lifestyle, an easier way of living, for example. Get your stuff the same day or the day after, get entertainment, gaming, get your food delivered, for example. And in the future, they can do so much more with it. But let's first have a look at some of the financials for Amazon, especially now that we're nearing the earnings season. So as you can see here, I'm on Seeking Alpha, by the way. Everything you will see, you might not be seeing on the free version, so do pay attention. But if you do want to have access to everything I'm going to show you, check out the link in the description and in the pinned comment as well to get a little discount at checkout. Now this is the broad overview that will paint the picture for what you will see next. So valuation, it got an F, growth A-, profitability A+, momentum right now a C, and then revisions a D. Revisions is earning per share revision, D-, and you will see why. Well, last quarter earnings, it missed by quite a lot, and we know Why? Well, mainly why? That's also because of their investment in Rivian, plus the e-commerce side of the business is taking a hit as well for the upcoming quarter earnings. Positive 17 cents is very, very optimistic in my view. Revenue estimate 119, almost $120 billion. And then as you can see here, earnings per share revisions in the last 90 days, 28 are down. So this is basically the bigger picture when it comes to earnings per share. So for next quarter, again, 17 cents, it's down 77% year over year. 33 analysts are thinking about the same numbers here, approximately. For Q3, they expect 40 cents, that's up 31%. Then the next quarter, Q4, it's down close to 60%. And after that, Q1 2023 all the way to Q4 2024, although in 2024 only a few analysts have some numbers for us there, but it should become much better for Amazon on a profitability side of things. And as you can see here, this is basically the earnings per share revision, and well, it's pretty clear it has been trending down for quite a while now. So these numbers to me show me that in the short term, Amazon, the company, and especially the stock price might actually still be taking a hit, even though it is down around 40 to 45% from its peak. It can still get worse. Yes, we had the stock split and that was maybe a short-term momentum push for the stock, but overall the earnings per share for the company might still take a hit, especially because of that red flag that we've talked about in the other video, and especially with, well, a recession fear, macroeconomic environment is a bit weird, high inflation, maybe the e-commerce side might take bigger hits, even though there is Amazon Prime Day, which might again be a success. We're going to see in the next quarter, in the quarter after the one that we're getting at the end, I think the end of this month or the beginning of August. But I do want to share some more news with regards to that partnership / deal with Grubhub. So out of nowhere, we got this news that came out. Amazon Prime members can unlock free Grubhub Plus for a year, which is valued at around $120 per year. After that, I believe it will be around $10. So you enjoy no delivery fees when you're a member of Amazon Prime. You get fast delivery on food, snacks, drinks, and more. So if I was a Prime member and I was maybe thinking about, let's say, canceling my Prime member because I already have Uber Eats or DoorDash or whatever, and I see this, I immediately would cancel the others and renew my Prime membership. But that's just me. But again, this just shows you the power of Amazon Prime, the power of a subscription that Amazon holds in their hands. Now, Amazon has also taken a stake in Grubhub. Now, I'm very, very surprised to see that Uber Eats or DoorDash or whatever other competitor out there has not, well, managed to get the same deal as Grubhub, or maybe steal away that deal to get a better one for themselves, because this is awesome for Grubhub. This means that hundreds of millions of people might suddenly be using their service. It doesn't cost them that much. It certainly doesn't cost Amazon much more, right? It just makes the people that have Amazon Prime, gives us an incentive to, well, renew Amazon Prime each and every year, or just not cancel for now and maybe have that decision later on. Again, this just shows the power of Amazon Prime, the power of having a good subscription product that offers a great value. Now, me personally, I'm an Amazon shareholder and a Prime user. I'm happy with both. I'm happy holding Amazon shares, and I will be adding if it goes down even more. Now, do share your thoughts down in the comments below. Are you holding Amazon? Are you a Prime member? Are you planning on spending some money on Amazon Prime Day? Leave it all down in the comments below. And if you enjoy this type of videos, leave it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, maybe hit that subscribe button, and I see you all in the next one. Bye bye.